Is Shiba Inu ready to move up? Growth continues to take place in the Shiba Inu community, and we have some physical projects that are now taking shape. We're going to highlight those in this video, but there's one other thing I also want to focus on, and that is there's a lot of talk about Bitcoin ETFs with BlackRock, with Fidelity, with Gray SKEIL, and whether or not Fidelity will buy them. Also put us on the path to where that regulation allows for a bull market to come back. So we will also discuss how this will affect the Shiba Inu currency going forward. So, if this all sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is the first time you are watching one of our videos, we send you a special welcome. We invite you to click the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are going to announce that this channel has a giveaway of 5 million Shiba Inu tokens. To have the chance to participate, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment with the hashtag Shiba Inu. The winner will be announced on 30th of June. Today, I came across an article titled Shiba Inu Faces Its First Major Resistance. 3 new targets provides detailed information on the current challenge facing the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency on its way to further growth. More details on the news are elaborated below. The author of the article notes that Shiba Inu has experienced a significant increase in value recently, which has piqued the interest of many investors and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. However, now the cryptocurrency is at a critical stage as it is facing its first major resistance. The resistance mentioned in the article is a price level at which Shiba Inu is expected to encounter strong selling pressure. This is because historically, when a cryptocurrency reaches a significant resistance level, many investors decide to sell their positions, which can make it difficult for the price to break above that level. Overcoming this resistance is an important milestone for Shiba Inu, as it could signal continued upward momentum. However, the author warns that if the cryptocurrency fails to overcome this resistance, it may experience consolidation or even a downward correction. Despite the challenges, the article highlights that if Shiba Inu manages to overcome this resistance, 3 new price targets could be established. These targets are based on technical analysis and past price patterns. Technical analysts use tools such as trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and support and resistance levels to identify potential price targets based on historical price movements. However, it is important to keep in mind that the future performance of any cryptocurrency is subject to a number of factors, such as market volatility, adoption, and general market sentiment. The price targets mentioned in the article are only estimates based on technical analysis and do not guarantee actual price movement. But everything points to the fact that Shiba Inu may continue to climb in price this week. There is a lot to discuss when it comes to the Shiba Inu coin or cryptocurrencies in general. There are a lot of news circulating out there, but we are going to focus on a couple of things in this video. And the first one I want to talk about is Calories, an apparent ecosystem-backed physical product manufacturer, not only for the Shiba Inu coin, but also for all kinds of NFT projects, which is why it has gained the support of the ecosystem team. It's worth mentioning that a special announcement is coming soon, and no, it's not just hoodies and toys. I don't know what that means, guys. I can speculate whether you would absolutely like it, but when it comes to these physical products, what I see happening with the Shiba Inu currency right now is that it's becoming sort of a branding, marketing tactic towards consumers. You see with all sorts of the major communities that are built, and I know if you've seen the shows that we did, you can see Ninja Turtles or Hello Kitty. They all start from nothing and then massive followings happen. Exactly the same thing happened with Shiba Inu. It started from nothing and built a massive following in a community, then come toys, markets, full sales, and that's what we're seeing right now. The fact that the Shiba Inu coin is sold in a way that benefits the manufacturers and the ecosystem team, but doesn't necessarily bring a lot of value to it as a cryptocurrency, so I'm a little skeptical of what they're doing right now, but nonetheless, that's the direction they're choosing to build during this bear market. Now I say during this bear market, but the Shiba Inu coin had a very good week, and it shot up 7.5% on a weekly basis. Yesterday it went up a little bit more, but since then it has come back down, and some people are making gains there. But one of the things that we don't see mentions on social media, and the increased engagement with the price, this is interesting, it could mean one of two things. The price increase will not be sustained, so keep that in mind. Or that we are just lagging behind, and we may see even more growth on networks. In this regard, Shiba Inu mentions are down 24%, but social media engagement dropped 20%, network dominance dropped 24%, link shares plummeted 22%. However, all the spammers are absolutely taking advantage of the price increase, causing spam content to increase 128%, so keep in mind that this may mean that the Shiba Inu currency price action is not sustainable. I don't know of a hype-driven bounce, and if people don't get on board and get excited, we may see it fade soon. I've seen a lot of headlines floating around today, one of them being the fact that BlackRock may start a Bitcoin ETF. I don't need to go in and read the articles, we can just go through the headlines that BlackRock is looking at. Is it the largest Bitcoin ETF currently, or are they looking to start their own now? This doesn't affect Shiba Inu's coin at all, but if we start seeing institution after institution competing for Bitcoin ETFs, and competing with the other cryptocurrencies in the industry, it's going to mean one of two things. They believe in the future, or regulation is already coming in to create a framework for cryptocurrency in general. We know that Shiba Inu continues to grow, that we have a layer 2 blockchain on the horizon, plus games and toys. 2021 was crazy. We had people with free money, thanks to the government for handing out all that free money, which resulted in inflation, and a possible economic recession and talks of depression and hyperinflation. Talk about all the nonsense that came out of that. But that increase in free money gave people great confidence that they could go out and invest. It wasn't just the free money, it was the fact that we had seen an increase in the stock market. Over a decade ago, people were buying and they didn't care about the consequences. A market like that will come back in the Shiba Inu currency. If it's still here, we'll see massive inflows of money and massive increases in value, so it doesn't necessarily matter what happens. I guess in individual cryptocurrency projects, it's all about whether or not the market trusts what they're buying, and right now, because of regulatory concerns, they don't trust the Shiba Inu coin. But once the institutions get involved, once the regulatory framework is clarified, people will come back to invest in both the token and other cryptocurrency projects as we've seen before. They will have massive gains that could be on the horizon, so I'm still absolutely optimistic. I wonder what you guys think about this topic. Let me know in the comments section. So we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video and don't forget to subscribe. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.